Hi, hello to my future employer in Hong Kong. Good morning, Madam and Sir. My name is Melody Lacargoyal. I am 27 years of age. I am a high school graduate. I am married but no kids yet because I want to save for the future and help my family for financial. I am ex-abroad, finished contract. My main duty there is taking care of the kid, give him a bath, give him a shower, play with him, bring him to school, and give him a healthy snack and healthy food. And my other duty there is taking care of the dog, walking him, give him a food, and give him a water all the time. And other duty is cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing the clothes and tidy up the house. I have also experience here in Philippines, and I am also all around helper, which is cooking, cleaning, ironing, and tidy up the house. And the reason I want to work in Hong Kong because it's a better opportunity and a higher salary. Please choose me, Madam and Sir. Thank you. God bless.